Hey, I'm an Amazon seller and I'm having some problems with my logistics, with the shippings. I don't really understand how all this stuff works and Wait a minute, what is this? Frozen Logistics, services since 37. That might be quite useful. Let me check what's going on here. What is this place? Let's see. Wait a minute. Man, what's going on here? Can you help me, man?
Hey, who are you, man?
I'm an Amazon seller. I'm walking around and I'm having problems with my logistics, man. And I saw this place here. What's going on here?
Yeah, really, you're Amazon seller. You know, we are a horizontal company. We are doing logistics to Amazon. Can I help you in something?
Yeah, man. I would like to understand how all this works, how to do right logistics, how to do all this stuff, man.
Hey, this is fine because I just covered this with photoshoot. I think it was with you. Yeah, we covered fully academy logistics to Amazon. Do you remember?
That was me, right, man? We just
Yeah.
did it. So we want to invite you to a
Yeah.
course we created for you.
Yeah.
For logistics, shippings, we're covering all this topic from A to Z. Me as an Amazon seller, and this is Amit.
Yeah, I'm Amit Rosenthal, owner of Rosenthal Logistics Company. We are doing logistics to Amazon, specific to Amazon, and we are here to provide you with good stuff. Hopefully it will benefit you to grow your business and to be a more successful Amazon seller.
So come join the course today and we'll do our best for you. It's gonna be fun. So come join today.